Hi all, this is an instruction video on how to properly use a cloth face mask. If you use a face mask, such as we all should do in public now, you need to be sure that you use it correctly. Because if you don't use it correctly, you actually risk spreading the virus, which is something we don't want to do. An important rule about wearing a face mask is that you only wear it in public. That means when you are in contact with other people. It does not make sense to wear your face mask when you're driving in your car alone or when you're walking or cycling somewhere alone. This is because the face mask is only effective for about half an hour up till 3 hours. And you don't want to waste valuable time of your face mask's effectiveness by using it in a space where you don't need it. So, what does that mean? Whenever I go out in public, I make sure that I put it on right before I get into contact with other people. I use my hand sanitizer to clean my hands before putting on my face mask. You can also use the hand sanitizing stations that are available in a lot of malls right now. I always bring my face mask with me in a container. I just use an old yogurt container, and at the end of this video you will see why I need a container like this. I take out my face mask, I put it on, I adjust it, and this adjustment is the last time I touch my face mask before I take it off again. This is the most important rule about wearing a face mask. If you wear a face mask, you do not touch it anymore. You don't touch it to adjust it. You don't touch it to scratch somewhere. And if you touch your face mask by mistake, please sanitize your hands before you touch anything else again. And please do not wear your face mask like this. And do not wear your face mask like that. Because it is not useful to wear it like that. And you actually risk infecting yourself by wearing it like this. Now, once we are done with whatever we were out in public for, we want to take off our face mask again. You take off your face mask again by first sanitizing your hands. Once you've sanitized your hands, you make absolutely sure that you do not touch the outer part of your face mask. Make sure you take it off using only the elastic loops or the ties that go behind your back to take off your face mask. Take your container, drop it in, and use the lid of your container to squish the face mask into the container so you don't touch the outside with your hands. Now you can get into your car or you can walk or cycle home. Once you are back home, you want to make sure that you clean your face mask so you can use it again. Again, take off the lid of your container, dump your face mask in the wash. Either wash it with hot and soapy water or take it with a load of laundry that you're doing at 60 degrees. Allow it to dry, preferably in direct sunlight, and iron your face mask so that you can use it again. Please make sure you use a face mask that's made out of a thick layer of tightly woven cotton. 2 layers are the minimum. I know the South African government has said in some instances that you can use t-shirt material or a shawl, but this is not a very effective way of using a face mask and should be prevented if possible. So if you see any local initiatives that are trying to get face masks out to people who cannot afford to buy a cloth face mask, please consider supporting these causes, because a good face mask, used the right way, can have a big impact on the spread of the coronavirus. Thank you very much.